Focus. Hey guys! Good morning! Okay, so napakatas ng energy. Okay, guys, so for today, we are going to learn how to do a simple makeup tutorial. And I will show you my own techniques and how I do it. So, please watch the video until the end. And I hope that we're going to learn how to do makeup, especially for beginners. So guys, let's set up our camera. Let's set up our camera. Okay, so first, very important is that before we put makeup, we use our sunscreen. So this is what I use, the Bure UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence. And kung nakikita nyo is that, paubos na siya because I've been using this for 3 months since quarantine. I think, kahit hindi ako lumalabas, nagsa-sunscreen pa rin ako because it is very important to use sunscreen every day. Okay? So, this is SPF 50. Okay? So, ito yung gagamitin ko for for my sunblock or sunscreen. So, let's apply it. Paubos na siya talaga. Okay, apply. Make sure pala guys, dapat malinis yung hands when you're applying anything to your face. Okay? Next is that we also need a tanan! What's this? A primer. So, I'm using No Pore Problem Primer. I bought it sa Altea, guys. Okay, so let's apply it to our face. My face pala. Okay, so my face has a lot of pores, so I really need to fill in those pores with a primer first. Before we can proceed na i-apply natin makeup. Okay. Next is that we also need, of course, our base. And I'm going to use this Juicy Glow Skin Base by Canmake Tokyo. So I bought this in Tokyo. I am using this not very often. Seldom ko lang siyang ginagamit. Okay, so I'll just use konti lang for my face. Konti lang yung gagamitin ko. I'll just apply it. By the way, we also need a mirror. I am using the mirror my camera. I need a mirror to see. Yan. Of course, we need to apply it to our eyes, under our eyes. Kasi baka may dark circles tayo. We can also use concealer under our eyes. Pero in this case, hindi ako gagamit. Okay, so kuha pa akong konti because feeling ko I still need more. Depends on you kung ano yung prefer ninyo. Okay? Nice. Ang importante dito is that we must feel beautiful while applying those products. Okay, so next is that I'm going to clip my hair. Clip our hair, clip our hair, clip our hair, clip our hair. Okay, so, yan. I'm going to clip my hair. 4 minutes left. Because we're going to apply a powder on our face. So, I'm going to use this Alana Translucent Powder on my face. Yan. Tapos, tataktak ako ng konti. Gagamit ako ng kabuki brush. Kabuki brush is what we use to apply powder. Loose powder. Yan. So, I'm already applying powder on my face, guys. Ginagamit ko na naman yung mirror ng camera. Yan. So, kung makikita nyo, sobrang nag-mattify na yung face ko. Kanina medyo shiny siya, di ba? So, let us also apply to our neck because dapat para sila ng kulay sa face natin. Simple, di ba? And then the next thing is I'm going to use blush on my face. Yan, so mattify na yung face ko. Yay! And what I'm going to use is the Happy Skin, very cute, Happy Skin On The Go Blush Lightweight Cheek Stick in Toasted. Katunog ko ba si Kim Chu? Medyo annoying, di ba? Pero, idol ko kasi si Kim Chu. I also don't care. Yan. Oh my God, ang cute. Next thing, on our other side naman. It's so cute. Oh my God. Yan. Oh my God. Ah. Blush, blush, blush. Okay, next thing. Annoying, di ba? Next thing, on our eyes. Ang cute naman na to. Color Pop. Okay, Color Pop in Super Shock Shadow. I'm going to apply it in my eyes. Nako, gamit na naman tayo ng mirror. Well, I'm going to use a brush, of course. I'm going to use a brush to apply. And then, i-blend natin. It is very important to blend later on. Apply. Feeling ko tinatawag ako. I'm going to make it quick.